We're looking at page 41 in the book, and this is an intro to your word problems. I'm going to try to go through a few examples in separate videos so that you can watch them maybe a little bit at a time. I know that word problems sometimes scare people. You need to make sure that you read the problem first. A lot of times, a problem in a math class is not that they couldn't do the math if someone told them what math to do. It's that they don't understand what they've read. So you need to make sure that you read the problem and break it down into small pieces and understand what the problem is saying first before you do anything else. Read it like you would a story and just stop and make sure that you actually understand what they're telling you in the problem. Clearly identify the unknown quantities. Now, usually in a word problem, the very last sentence or a question will tell you exactly what you're looking for. So look for that. Number 3, specify the unknown quantities. That's called defining your variable. So that sets up the problem. You want to say things like, let X be the missing length or something like that so that you get straight in your head what you're looking for. If possible, make a sketch. It can be something as simple as a straight line, and you're cutting, maybe you're cutting a board, so you just put a slash in the middle of the straight line. Something very simple. Analyze the statement of the problem and write the necessary equation. This can be the most difficult part because you're not always sure what you're looking for, but you need to look for keywords. For example, if you are cutting a board in two, you're splitting that board into 2 pieces. If you put the pieces back, mathematically that would be addition. Splitting them apart might be subtraction. You know, if I say double something, that's multiplying something by 2. So look for key words in what you're talking about. Solve the equation, and this will be your basic algebra, and then check it and make sure that it makes sense. So you want to go through all those steps in your head as you're doing these problems.